transportation logistics ensuring supplies to troops have always determined the ultimate combat strength and effectiveness of armed forces. This principle applies to all weapons categories, and this remains even more valid today. Hydraulic loading aids are becoming an increasingly important element of modern military logistics. Truck cranes, unit load handling systems, the tailgate lift, and transportable forklifts are today just as essential for the military user as they are decisive for cost-efficient handling and transport in the commercial sector. PALFINGER has been building hydraulic cranes for military applications for 30 years. Even the oldest ones remain in full service, doing the tasks that they were bought to perform. Over the years, PALFINGER has become the world's biggest manufacturer of truck loading cranes. The range of models extends from 0.8 to 120 meter tons lifting capacity. The range includes special configurations which are used on both trucks and rail vehicles. Handle the toughest tasks in continuous service on oil platforms, and continually prove themselves as deck cranes on the high seas. The success of the PALFINGER crane is rooted in its user-oriented product philosophy. A low dead weight combined with high lifting capacity are just as important for military duty as they are decisive for the choice of a PALFINGER crane by commercial users. The Power Link system developed by PALFINGER gives the crane superior lifting power even in unfavorable boom positions. The engine for an armored vehicle is heavy. No other crane in this capacity class could handle this weight without the added benefit of our Power Link system. During the removal and insertion of engines for armored vehicles, the sensitivity of the PALFINGER remote control proves its value. The heavy engine can be maneuvered with millimeter accuracy. Military logistics demands flexible systems. The all-terrain carrier vehicle with minimal setup times for the PALFINGER crane meets the requirements ideally. Bulky, high-speed patrol boats weighing nearly 6 tons places high demands on the geometry and lifting capacity of the crane, which is relatively light for this demanding duty. The modern towing and recovery vehicle has also to be suitable for additional loading and transport duties, going beyond its primary intended purpose. PALFINGER offers tailor-made solutions to these problems. Rapid intervention troops depend on aircraft and loading and transport equipment that can be stored in containers. The low-profile cranes developed for this purpose impress by virtue of their unique movement geometry. Despite minimum height in the folded condition, these cranes deliver an optimal lifting moment combined with a very good loading height. The Krahler BM transportable forklift can also be folded down to a compact size. It is transported in a box attached to the truck. It can, however, also be stowed compactly in both containers and aircraft. In danger areas, the remote control system provides the forklift operator with a high degree of personal safety. PALFINGER is also redefining hook loader systems. The Hook Lift Scorpion PLT has been specially developed for military duty. The cooperation resulting from the acquisition of French manufacturer Guima brought to PALFINGER 30 years of experience in the development and production of hook loader and container swapping systems. As the latest development, the PALGate tailgate lift completes the logistics handling equipment chain at PALFINGER. The engineering design departments undertake intensive and continuous product development. Movement, geometry, and kinematics are calculated, designed, and perfected on high-power computers. Finite elements method is used to determine the peak loads that occur during tough daily operations. In addition, a virtual endurance test simulates the service life of new products. This makes it possible to recognize any weaknesses at an early stage and eliminate them by design even before production of a prototype takes place. The unique software necessary to do this was developed with the help of a college of technology and is one of the company's most closely guarded technical secrets. In the manufacturing processes, CNC machinery, welding robots, and automated production lines characterize the production process. Each production step is accompanied by tests on materials combined with extensive quality control procedures. In the assembly plants, PALLIFT unit load handling systems, PALGate tailgate lifts, Trailer transportable forklifts, and PALFINGER truck cranes are assembled to meet specific customer requirements. The manufacturing plants operated by the PALFINGER Group are certified to ISO standard 9001. PALFINGER products are exported to more than 70 countries. Around the globe, more than 1,400 service workshops are available to provide customer service and replacement parts. On every continent, military customers also appreciate the superior technology and quality which are inherent in PALFINGER products. As with commercial applications, more than ever, it is the versatility and quality of the equipment which also determines its overall usefulness for military logistics. Today, this applies to an even greater extent because military operations are not just responsible for national defense, but are increasingly fulfilling tasks associated with the environment, disaster relief, and national emergencies. Whenever the highest reliability is required from these complex systems, PALFINGER products possess the greatest potential. The PALFINGER crane PK52000 performs a key function in rapid bridge deployment. 5-ton bridge elements have to be laid quickly, reliably, and precisely. The unique lifting characteristics and sensitive remote control system ideally match the requirements for this application. Just a few hours after the first element has been put in place, heavy equipment and armored vehicles can cross over the bridge. PALFINGER develops and produces innovative systems. Cranes, roll-off unit load handling systems, tailgate lifts, and transportable forklifts that set new standards by virtue of superior application technology and uncompromising quality. Unlike other manufacturers, PALFINGER offers proven and complex logistical handling systems from a single source. A key advantage that is being appreciated more and more, not just by commercial users, but also by armed forces worldwide.